whisper your name. In the silence we hide in shame. We take a ghost. From the ashes we rise with
Ty Woffington has announced his arrival on the Grand Prix stage by coming of age here. Oh! Woffington and Pedersen lock up! That's a dreadful, dreadful crash!
That's gonna hurt.
This is Speedway out of the top draw! Ty Woffington of Great Britain is going to win his first ever Grand Prix! Woffy, Woffy, Woffy! What a story it's been for Woffington. An emotional moment for the man of the moment. Oh, drama! And that is a nasty, nasty crash. It's bad news for Woffington. This is unbelievable! Ty Woffington with an amazing show of guts and determination.
Super ride from Woofenden. Psychologically, that's another blow.
Ty Woffington of Great Britain has the lead, and if it stays like this, he'll lead the World Championship. Oh, Woffington's off! Oh dear, oh dear!
He's running the back of Gollop. They've both gone down.
Woffington is hurt.
Oh, that's drama.
He's going to be gritting his teeth, that's for sure. Woffington tries the inside line, and Ty Woffington has taken a vital victory over his nearest rival, Hampel.
What a ride from Ty Woofenden. That really is bulldog spirit out there.
we are.